I'm delighted to inform our IAPCO community of our new scholarship program that we recently launched with NZICC, the New Zealand International Convention Centre, and ourselves, IAPCO, of course. And it's a scholarship program that really focuses on next generation leaders within our community. We're delighted that NZICC has partnered with us on this, and I'm even more delighted that the scholarship program is actually in name of one of our stalwarts of the IAPCO community in Jan Tonkin. Jan, as you all know, was a president of IAPCO. She was chair of our training academy for a number of years. Jan has been part of the IAPCO community since 2002, Jan, and remains very heavily involved in our education, both online education and in-person education as part of the training academy. So, Jan, would you like to share a couple of words about the scholarship program and maybe about who from our community can get involved?
Well, it's really an amazing opportunity for someone in Asia Pacific, because we're particularly focused on that region with this scholarship. And the idea behind this whole program, that's really been a perfect partnership between NZICC and IAPCO, is to be able to equip the next generation. And so what we're looking at is a program that's got an EDGE seminar, it's got quarterly sessions, and then the opportunity for a rising young star to be able to come along to an IAPCO conference. And I think what they will get from an IAPCO conference will be fantastic, because they'll be exposed to a whole lot of ideas and connections that I know will endure for a long time.
It's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about it. How you can apply is you can either be nominated by your boss within your PCO company. You can nominate yourself, and it's a very easy process to do so. Get in touch with IAPCO HQ. We'll introduce you to the link in order for you to submit your application. And yeah, as Jan said, it's open to all Asia Pacific members, and we're delighted and we're so excited, and we hope that you'll all take part in the scholarship program. Jan, thanks very much for your support. We seriously couldn't do it without you, so we're really, really pleased and really honoured that you've backed this. It's fantastic. Thank you.
Honestly, the honour is mine, so thank you for the initiative.